In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. Now, a quick note before we begin. Notion itself doesn't execute code like an IDE or terminal would. What we're really doing is adding a clean, readable code block to a Notion page so you can store, share, and present code with proper formatting. It's perfect for documentation, tutorials, or teamwork, and it keeps everything neatly organized in one place. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser, just like you normally would. Once you're in, choose where you want your code to live. You can open a brand new page if you're starting fresh, or head to an existing page if you're adding code to notes you already have. Either option works the same way, so pick what makes sense for your workflow. With your page open, click where you want the code to appear so your cursor is in place. Now type / and start typing the word code. You'll see a small menu pop up with options, and one of those will be code. Click that, and Notion will insert a dedicated code block directly into your page. This code block uses a monospaced font and preserves indentation, which makes your snippets much easier to read and understand. Next, paste your code into the block. You can copy from your editor or another source and paste it right in. Notion keeps the formatting intact, so things like spacing and indentation remain consistent. That's important, especially for languages where white space matters or for any snippet you want to scan quickly. A few tips to make this smoother. Code blocks are great for keeping long snippets contained, and they support scrolling if your code runs long, so you don't have to worry about it. Overwhelming the rest of your page. They're also easy to move around. If you decide the block belongs higher or lower on the page, just drag it by the handle on the left and drop it where you want. And if you're adding context or instructions, you can write your explanations above or below the block so everything is easy to follow. Remember, this is about presenting code clearly inside Notion, not executing it. If you plan to run the code, do that in your usual development environment and then use Notion to document what the code does, why it's written a certain way, and any results you want to remember. That's it. Open Notion, select your page, use the / command to insert a code block, and paste your code. Simple, clean, and perfect for sharing. And